And top of the morning to you. So, the van motor. Where are we at? I did last time. I did a whole lot, tidied up all this wiring in here. Sort of put it all in here, cable tied the hell out of it. Ended up stealing the electron to the other clearance as well. Still got the wiring up. Got the IDA on now. Catch can, other radio alternator. So we've got the fan going. Everything else I think is sweet. We'll just fill it up with water. I'll probably just start running now. She goes, go crack. I'm pretty sure she's gonna go. I like the pedal, the accelerator pedal going too. That would be nice. Ooh, close. Woohoo! She's gonna go. Something's cooking in the kitchen in here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! She's away. She's alive. Oh, what's going on there? The belt's melting. What the fuck? This is pretty crazy. What the fuck is going on here? That's fucking hot, eh? No, we'll have to change that, obviously. Yes! But she's alive! She's alive, she's alive, she's alive! We're fucking winning there to start up the key even! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Fucking you beauty! You bloody little beauty! I don't know what's going on with this. This is fucking cooked and cooked. Yeah! Fuck, I've done something right. Fucking you beauty! Well, that's success. It goes. It sounds like it's a little bit out of time though. Let's see. Time got on there. Make sure there's no big leaks on the ground. But she's fucking going. You fucking beauty. Yes! So we're happy about that. That's fucking awesome. Fucking awesome. Awesome, awesome. Yes. She's a hum diddly dum 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 dum. Hum diddly dum 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 dum.